Hi, it's Chris at Growquest, and this is the rose climbing Stormy Weather. You can see it's an ebb tide looking like rose. That's a very robust climber. Here's some that have reached up about 6 feet, actually 8 feet high. It's a strong climber, that's for sure. Really rich purple blossoms that fade out. Produces large sprays of blossoms. You can see right here, this one's probably got about 12 on it and still cranking out more buds. Lots of branching. There was some night owl over here. Yeah, I see some night owl down there. I'm sure I have an order for 3 of these right now. Unfortunately, they're insisting they be cut back to about 18 inches and shipped out to Louisiana. Otherwise, it'd be a really beautiful plant to have arriving at the job site in this size. So the climbing rose, Stormy Weather. Excellent climber, vigorous climber, lots of flower buds, that ebb tide purple like bloom, and it's doing great in the heat. Believe me, where I am right now, it's been consistently 100 to 110 and nothing's phased it.